This video demonstrates a typical filing. We will file a motion as a lead document, attach an exhibit to support our motion, and then file a proposed order as a second lead document so the judge can agree with us. Start by clicking on the e-filing tab, and then in the upper right corner, search using the case number. Whenever you begin a filing, you should check the service contacts to make sure they are complete. At a minimum, both you and the opposing counsel should be listed. Notice that the parties to this case, along with their current counsel, are all listed just below the service contact area so that you can make comparisons. As we move through this demonstration, you'll notice that many of the fields have default values filled in for you. We come up with reasonable defaults based on what we know about the case you are filing and your previous work. Changing that value if we guessed wrong is as simple as clicking on the menu arrows and correcting the entry. The filing attorney is one of those fields that we provide a default for. Make sure that is correct before proceeding. Now we're ready to upload our documents. Click on the Upload button to open your computer's file system browser. First, we'll select our motion. We can double-click on it or highlight the file and click on the Open button. We can start filling out the details while the file is uploading in the background. To upload the exhibit attached to the motion, we click on the Upload button within the Lead Documents editing window. A preview window on the left lets us check to make sure we uploaded the correct file. There are tools to zoom and scroll the preview. If we want to view the attachment instead, we just click on the eyeball icon next to the attachment to look at it. And to switch back to the lead, just click on its eyeball icon. Whenever we take an important action like saving a file, a message will appear in the upper right corner to confirm it. This message will go away after a couple of seconds on its own, but if it's in the way, you can just click on the X to dismiss that message. Now we'll upload the proposed order as a second lead document. Notice that this time around the default is provided for the party filing this document. Doxpop learns from you as you work. Now let's pause to make sure the envelope is ready to file. All of the lead documents are listed in bold. All of the attachments have a paperclip icon next to them and are slightly indented. If we need to change anything, the pencil icon allows us to edit when corrections are required. If we decide one document brings us no joy at all, the trash can deletes a lead document and all of its attachments so we can start fresh. If the envelope looks good, we are ready to scroll down to the submission area. Notice that the party responsible for fees has already defaulted to whoever you chose as the filing party, and your usual payment method is selected by default. Click on the 4 affirmations that you know what you're doing, and then click on the Submit button. The acknowledgement screen shows you a summary of the documents filed in this envelope and the people receiving electronic service. Immediately below that summary, you will find shortcuts for your next task. You can file a new case, go to My Electronic Filings to view all of your filings, or look up another case for another subsequent filing. If you forgot a document that should have gone into this envelope, this button up near the top will allow you to start another envelope on the same case with a single click. Thanks for viewing this video. I hope it was helpful. Please explore the other videos in our YouTube channel to learn how Doxpop can help you do your work with excellence. If you have any questions that weren't answered, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our support team. Their expertise is only exceeded by their friendliness, so don't be shy.